Hey there, my friends. Dan G. Fox here, and hope you're having a Foxtastic day. Thanks for stopping by my channel today. I do appreciate that. If this is your first time here, you're missing out on some good goodies because I put out videos on a regular basis to help you to make money online. So you don't want to miss out on any more, okay? Your wallet will appreciate it. Go ahead and click on the subscribe button below. That way you'll be subscribed to my channel, and click on the bell. That way you'll get notified every time I put out a new video, which I do on a regular basis to help you to make money online. So today I wanted to talk about the AI Viral Downline and how you make money with it. Okay, the tool itself is very powerful because you're able to post with AI to 8 different social media accounts 4 times a day. All right, for 28 days. So that's pretty powerful in itself because it's basically, once it's set up, it's hands down. But the money making potential is really, really good. Okay, it's got a very good marketing plan. So I wanted to show that to you today. Okay, and before I go into the money making part, this is Emily. She's the front end AI assistant, and you can talk to her and ask questions to her. Just real briefly, we'll start the call.
Hello, my name is Emily, the assistant for AI Viral Downline. Who do I have the pleasure of speaking with today?
Hi, Emily. This is Dan. How are you?
I'm doing great, Dan. Thank you so much for asking. I'm excited to chat with you today. So
Sure.
let me ask you this.
Yeah,
Perfect.
Go ahead.
Great, Dan. Before we dive in, I want to make sure I understand where you're at right now. Did you already claim your free position in the 3x8 matrix, or are you just now taking a look at the details?
I'm just now taking a look, Emily.
No worries at all, Dan. I'm glad you're here. I can walk you through exactly how everything works and show you how to claim your free position so you can explore the system for a full 7 days with zero pressure. But first, I'd love to understand what brings you here today. What excites you most about the idea of earning with AI doing the explaining for you?
Um, Makes it a lot easier to get clients and prospects.
Exactly, Dan. That's the beauty of it. Having AI handle all the explaining takes so much off your plate. You just share your link and the system does the heavy lifting for you. So here's the thing. The AI viral downline system is built on what we call a 3x8 matrix.
Okay, so you see how that works. All right, that's pretty cool in itself. And it says, Emily will explain how the system works, the matrix, to close prospect. Her whole goal is to try to get people to join for free. All right, so they can get on the inside and see exactly all the tools they will get at that point. All right, so now let's look at how you make money. First of all, there's a $25 fast start. It costs $28 to join the system. There's a $25 fast start. What's it, like 89, 90% somewhere in there that you get? That's pretty cool. So really, when you join, if you get 3 people, well, just 2 really. If you get 2 people, that pays for your joining, because with 2 people you get, that's $50 you've earned. You only paid 28. You get 1 person, you've almost paid the whole $28. So that's the fast start. That's a one-time payment. But then on the monthly basis, you have the matrix. It's a 3x8 matrix, and it starts on the second month because the first month you're getting the fast start payout. Okay, and so this is a really simple to understand system. Monthly matrix for every person you have on your front row that you personally recruited. That's you earn $10 per member. So three members is going to get you $30 a month, and that covers your charge. So even if you're not making $2 profit, you're making a profit, right? Okay, so you only need 3, and then it goes on from there. Okay, level 2 through 7, you get $2 per member per month. All right, and when you recruit 3 people, when you personally sponsor 3 paid referrals, then you open up level 8. Right, and level 8 you will make more money. Now the system talks about Level 1 through 7 can pay you $6,582 a month without sponsoring anyone. Now, let me say this. Is that possible? Yeah, it's possible. It's definitely possible. But you do not want to be sitting back waiting. You that could take who knows how long it would take you to get all the way down there doing nothing. All right. This is a business, so you want to work it like a business. But yeah, you could do that without doing anything. Um, but when you sponsor 3 people, it opens up level 8, and you get the full matrix fill. That's 26,265 per month, which is not shabby, right? So just a quick breakdown again. It just shows you level 1, you're going to get $30 on level 1 when it's filled, when the line is filled. Level 2, 18, $354. Level 4, $162. Level 5, $486. Level 6, $1,458. And level 7, $4,374. You add all that together, that gives you a total of $6,582. All right, not shabby for doing nothing. Okay, but of course, as I said earlier, you don't want to sit back and do nothing. Okay, and because if everybody did nothing, there's no money to be made. If everybody sat back and did absolutely nothing, there's no money to be made. So we really want to work this system because it's got really good income potential. Now, when you open up level 8, that takes your income, total monthly income, to $26,265 a month, and that's not shabby at all. And look, it's not really a lot of. You don't need a lot of people, right, to fill up that matrix. 6,561 members. You don't need a lot to get to that last line. Okay, there are amazing people that are wanting to make money online, and amazing people that need to know how to get traffic. All right, and amazing people that want to make it easy to get traffic. So that's how you make money with this. There's no bells and whistles and hoops you got to jump through. It's just that simple. You get out there and start making money with this system. Get out there and start promoting it. And yes, you can promote it for any program that you're promoting. You can promote it for AI Viral Downline itself, or you can promote it for any program that you're involved in. So that's it for today. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully you got something out of it and see the money-making potential that you can get from it. If you did, I would appreciate if you could click on the like button. That helps me out, and just do me a favor and do that, please. And comment. I do look good, bad, or indifferent. I always say that on my videos. I love comments. I will respond to the comments. Okay. And as I said at the beginning of the video, this is your first time here. Welcome aboard. Glad to have you with us. Go ahead and subscribe. Click on that button, slam that button, slam it. That way you subscribe to my channel. And really you want to click on that bell so you get notified every time I put out a video on helping you to make money online. So that's it. Appreciate your time. You have a foxtastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.